maintenance and installation of the Smart City Systems project. You see, this is the screen that is going to show the first time you navigate to the project through the browser. Okay, to start, you're going to need a few things installed in your computer. Let's navigate first of all to GitHub, where you can, assuming that you have access to the GitHub account where the Smart Stormwater Smart City System is, or if you already have that folder in your computer. After that, the first thing that you need to have installed is npm. So in any browser, just do a search for npm, press enter, and is the first result that come up in the search is npmjs.com. Just click on it, and npm stands for Node Package Manager. Scroll down to where you see install npm, you click on it, it takes you to the download page. Just look for the button where it says download Node.js and npm, you click on it, and then it's going to give you the button to download. In this case, I'm using a Mac, that's why it already gave me the option to download for Mac, but if you are on Windows or in Linux, it's going to give you the option to download for your operating system. So you download and just follow the instruction for the installation. After that, to host the project, this project is hosting in Firebase, so you need to have a Firebase account and a project. So let's go to firebase.google.com. To have an account, you can just have any Google account. With that, you can also already access Firebase. You click on the Get Started button, and it takes you to a page where you can set up a new project, or you see your current project. If you're gonna start this from scratch, then you add a new project, and remember the name that's going to be associated with the project, so you can also set up that in your computer. After that, you need to install the Firebase CLI. So for that, we're gonna just also put in a search Firebase CLI. Just click enter. Again, it's gonna be the first result in the search. Just click on it, and basically you can just copy and paste this. Just copy, and you're gonna paste in your terminal or command prompt. If you're on Windows, just paste and press enter. I'm not gonna do it because I already have installed. And here you can just follow the instructions. After that, just do Firebase login to log in with your Google credentials. After that, you're gonna do Firebase init, but for that, assuming that you already have the folder where the Smart City project is, so you have to navigate into that folder. You go to City and Stormwater Smart City Project System, press enter. Now inside this folder is where you have to do the Firebase init to set up the project that you created in Firebase. And that's all that you need to do to set up the project. Now once you have the Firebase init complete, to send all your files to your project for hosting, you can just copy and paste into the terminal. Firebase deploy only hosting, because there's also a function folder. For now we just want to deploy the hosting files. Again, just press enter and it's gonna send it to your project in Firebase. After that, okay, let's check. So to navigate to your project in the browser, once the deploy is completely, you will navigate to the name of your project, .firebaseapp.com. That's up to there is where you're gonna navigate, and it's gonna show you already that login part is already part of the project, so you don't have to type that. But once you are there, this is the part where you have to put the name of your project followed by firebaseapp.com, and if everything went okay, then you should see this page in your browser. To make a change in the files or in the app itself, just navigate to the folder where the smart stormwater system is. Then you go into the public folder, and here you have all the files, starting with the index and the views, all the HTML files. Just navigate to this view folder, open the file, any file that you will need to modify, just open it in your IDE or any text editor. When you do the modification, you save, you come back to the terminal and do a Firebase deploy again and reload your page in the browser, and you should see your changes reflected on the project.